In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the whiteboard feature in Zoom. This feature is incredibly handy for visual presentations, brainstorming sessions, or any time you need to jot down ideas collaboratively. To begin with, you'll need to log into your Zoom account. You can do this either through your preferred web browser or directly via the Zoom app on your computer or mobile device. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to start or join a meeting. Be it a team meeting, a class, or just catching up with friends, the whiteboard is available for any session. Next up, locate the Share Screen option, conveniently positioned at the bottom of your Zoom window. Clicking on this button opens the gateway to a myriad of sharing options. From here, you're going to select Whiteboard and then click the Share button. This action transports you into the digital expanse of the Zoom whiteboard, ready for creativity and collaboration. Now that your whiteboard is up, you'll notice a range of tools neatly lined up at the top of your screen. Among these, you'll find pens for freehand drawing, a text tool to insert typed words, shape tools for drawing circles or squares, and an eraser for those inevitable little mistakes. Feel free to draw, write, and shape your ideas as you see fit. This suite of tools is designed to be intuitive, allowing you to focus on the content rather than the process. If your goal is to collaborate, you can easily allow others to join in on the creativity. Click on Annotate and then select Allow Participants to Annotate. This action is a simple yet powerful way to make your meeting more interactive and inclusive, giving everyone a chance to contribute to the whiteboard. Once you've finished creating, it's a great idea to save your hard work. This is as straightforward as clicking the Save button, ensuring you have a record of your brainstorming session or class notes stored securely on your device. Finally, when you're done with the whiteboard and ready to return to the main part of your meeting, just click Stop Share. This action neatly closes the whiteboard and returns you to your regular Zoom view, but not before preserving that shared session in everyone's memories or possibly in the save file you downloaded earlier. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to confidently navigate Zoom's whiteboard feature from start to finish. Whether it's for teaching, project planning, or simply doodling around with your team, the whiteboard is a versatile tool that can enhance your Zoom experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to share your experiences with us in the comments section below. Happy Zooming!